Hi, I'm here with you with another update on the dandruff and itchy scalp situation that I had and that I just recently done a video on. COVID-19, I've had a major delay in getting my products that I talked with you about from Amazon, and so far I've only gotten the probiotic soap, which I've been using. I now have used this twice, meaning I've used this 2 weeks in a row. And I have not received the scalp treatment or the As I Am brand shampoo for dandruff and also conditioner for dandruff. I have not received those yet. This coming week, hopefully, we'll be receiving that from Amazon. So I have used this soap twice on my scalp, followed by, because SA, which is salicylic acid, that is a product, that is an ingredient that's in the scalp treatment that I ordered from As I Am on Amazon. And so salicylic acid is something I have in this body and face soap that I have from CeraVe. So I have been using this with the probiotic soap. I think I use the probiotic soap first and then I use this. I'm not sure, because possibly I'm just washing the probiotic soap off with it since I'm using it after. I'm not sure. But that's what I'm using. I'm not even using any shampoo for actual hair or dreadlocks right now, the last 2 times. The first time I did it, it itched a little bit, but it was better. And it was better for a little bit longer than usual. But the second time I used it, I noticed an improvement even more so. And also my dreads are locking at the roots a lot faster. And I think it's because of this soap, because it's like I'm really getting between the sections and cleaning my scalp a lot more. And so if I don't retwist, I have noticed that it will start to stick together at the roots, like the different dreads are sticking together, and I have to rip them apart in different ways. And I haven't had that much tightening at the roots in a while. So I think that this is probably a pretty good soap, but I'm not going to keep using it for my dreads because I just think it's probably, well, it says non-drying and non-irritating. I don't know, but I guess I should probably be using shampoo on my dreads. So I'm really happy with how well the treatment has been going so far. And I think that once I get the shampoo and conditioner from Amazon, it's going to go even better, which I'm really excited about. I just washed my hair yesterday, last evening, and it's dry now. And I have just wanted to show you because I think it looks puffier, like fluffier than it has in like a while, which is cool. So I wanted to show it off to you. I've got quite a few short dreads back there that I did not put extensions on, and I've recently trimmed the loose ends a little bit so they don't stick out quite as much, but they still do stick out a little bit. It'll be really nice once all my dreads get long enough that they blend in with this hair right here.